Today, I'm going to show you how to deploy your Base44 app in just a few quick steps. This is a super simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through it clearly so you can publish your app with confidence. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your app inside the Base44 Editor. Make sure you're in the correct project before you move forward, because this is the app that will go live once you publish it. When your app is open and ready, look toward the top right corner of the editor. You should see a Publish button there. This is the main option you'll use to deploy your app. Go ahead and click Publish. After you click it, Base44 will give you the publishing options for your app. From here, select Publish App. This confirms that you want to make the current app available for deployment. Once you choose that option, Base44 will begin the publishing process. Depending on your app, it may take a moment while the platform prepares everything in the background. When the process is complete, your app will be deployed and ready to access. That's it. Your Base44 app is now published. It's a really fast workflow, and once you know where the Publish button is, you can deploy your app anytime in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.